Hi, I'm Federico from Visiontech, and today I want to talk to you about the Visionflex belts. The Visionflex are thermoplastic polyurethane truly endless tooth belts with continuous kevlar or stainless steel strands. Also called flex, they are used for the power transmission and the precision positioning of the transportation of products and in the industrial automation. Also available in the VisFood version for the food industry, produced with non-hygroscopic polymer that complies with MOCA regulations, and in the Visionflex DD with teeth on both sides. Advantages. Compared to the classic chains, the friction coefficient and the noise during the working cycle is reduced thanks to the nylon coating of the tooth and back. Since there is no junction section, there is no weak point in the belt due to cables interruption. Resistance to high loads. Available with a length of up to 50 meters starting with 1040 millimeters, the driving cables inside the flex belt can be partialized. It is possible to do mechanical machining according to drawing on the Visionflex, such as the welding of dowels. It is possible upon request to reduce the tolerance range ensured by a test certificate. Fields of application. Simple and synchronized transportation of light and heavy products for the food, ceramic, marble, wood industry and for industrial automation to where high traction loads are requested. For more information, you can visit our website visiontech.it. Thank you and see you soon.